Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay, so today, as I said, we're going to be talking more about Metaplex. They came out with a candy machine version 2. So I thought I'd try to get that work. I'm trying to get the original thing to work, and hasn't been that cooperative, so I may have to play around with it some more. But I want to try the candy machine. Now, in the documentation, they do talk about the fact that you should set up your wallet, which I already have a DevNet wallet, configured it to point to that, and configured it to talk to the DevNet. And let's double check this, because this may, let's see, we're in the right place. So let's see what we got here. So we got the config file, we got the RPC, the WebSocket, the key path, and the commitment is confirmed. And if I do have money in it, I just did, and you can just, when you're talking about DevNet or testnet, you can just do airdrops and have whatever you need, because obviously you need it to test. The next thing they talk about is preparing your assets. They have a bunch of assets they provide. So each asset has a JSON file. And we looked at this before. Basically, the attributes, the properties, the collection, etc. And then creating the candy machine. So this is the command. Now, I had changed a little bit to use, obviously, my config file, etc., cache file I named, and then the location of the assets in the local directory here. And if you look, they have, where did it go? I thought it was right here. And you can see they're right there. So we're going to try this command. And I spelled it out. I wrote it out before. Just so that I wouldn't have to sit here typing. So let's give it a shot and see what the heck happens. See if it actually will work. Cannot find... Let's see. Cannot find module ARG. So, it did not like that. Let me wonder, it's calling, giving it the full path here. I wonder if it's a path issue. So where, they're not telling you. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to try it from another location, because we're going to try it from up here. And we're just going to put this whole here. And see if that, I'm going to add the, do it from a, give everything the full path that I need, that we have. See if that works, because it could, sometimes you get those errors just because you're not in the right spot and it can't find something. So let's try this again. From going from the JavaScript location. Nope, it's not liking it. It is, I have to wonder, because I was having, was having some trouble with the actual trying to get Metaplex to come up. So I'm going to try, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try just killing everything and re-downloading Metaplex and see if that fixes it. So we will be back. Okay, so we're back. Ran into a bunch of issues with TS Node not wanting to work. As you can see now, I got it working. I had to uninstall it, delete it, reinstall it, and finally decided that it was going to come up. So we'll see if this is going to work now. So we got everything here. And let's give it a shot. Okay. Let's see what it's going to do. Upload was not successful. There has to be, okay. So it looks like the config needs a little bit of work here, at least one creator. Let me just double check my Solana. Okay, Solana, what does it show? Config show, I think it is. No. Mm-hmm. 2020, okay. So that's still good. So probably what we got going on here is we go into the, where are we going? CD packages, CD, CLI, So the error we were getting there must be at least one creator. So that's interesting. Configuration. Oh, I'm sure I know what it, yeah. I think I know what it is. When you do this, let me see if I can find it. It's not complaining about the configuration for the gumball. Yeah, there's, oh wait, you can see, there is no creator in here. So you see that you can see right here it's blank. So what we have to do to get this here to work is add a creator. So we're gonna be doing that. So the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix up some of these PNG file, JSON files, and we're gonna try it again. At least I solved the big problem, which was TS node was not being cooperative at all. But you can see it tried to initialize it. So anyway, we made a little bit of progress today. And once we get it up and things in there, then the next step, of course, will be to go to the UI. Once you have the UI running, of course, then you can make modifications just as you could with the store. So hopefully this has been helpful, and I will speak to you next time. Take care.